A year after Florida's Panhandle was struck by Hurricane Michael, the damage it brought to heavily visited beach communities is still so obvious.
The storm was considered a Category 4 when it made landfall. It was later determined to actually be a Category 5, making it the only hurricane that strong to ever hit that area.
Michael damaged almost every building in Mexico Beach and caused more than $18 billion worth of damage in Florida before moving on to Georgia, North Carolina, and Virginia. The storm caused severe flooding along its entire path. ABC's Ginger Z telling our crews there what was going through her mind when the storm surge hit.
And I will say, so I chose that building, well, it was Kimberly Kennedy who let us stay in that building, but I knew the specs, I knew it was cement, I knew the pylons went deep, I had the hurricane-proof glasses, you know. But I will say that once the surge happened, and it was 30 seconds, I'm telling you, by the time it covered the water and it went to 14 feet, it was 30 seconds.
Wow.
Well, WATE 6 on your side, Storm Team meteorologist Justin Kiefer is in Florida with a look at how far or how little the area has come in such a short amount of time.
Well, exactly 1 year ago, on October 10th, 2018, Hurricane Michael, a Category 5 storm, slammed into this coastline. This is the Panama City Marina, downtown Panama City, where there's a huge civic center. There's also an old city hall complex that was being renovated to hold the juvenile detention center. There's also an old library over there, a whole city center, along with a marina that was completely wiped out. You cannot believe what was here before. And seeing what it is looking like now, it's 1 year later, and very little has been accomplished here. In fact, they're tearing down buildings more than they're rebuilding buildings. We're seeing part of the marina under construction or under demolition. They're still pulling debris out of the water. There were boats, literally hundreds of boats, that were sunk and swamped and crashed together in that marina 1 year ago. On this date in 2018. The city's still recovering. They're trying to get back together. They're trying to rebuild together, but it's going to take some time. And on this 1 year anniversary, it was good to be back in Panama City, back to ground zero where this hurricane hit just 1 year ago. I'm Justin Kiefer, WATE 6 on your side.
All right, thanks a lot, Justin. Yeah, Justin worked in the Panama City market for more than a decade and a half and was there, of course, when Michael hit for days upon days before and afterwards, and then recently came here to WATE. We're glad to have him, but I know how it is. Get back to hopefully get a little bit of closure and see how it's progressed, and hopefully things slowly starting to improve. As you said, it's going to take some time. Just amazing how quickly this storm developed into a major hurricane, and as we mentioned, made landfall near Mexico Beach at a Category 5 hurricane, and as Lori mentioned, it caused flooding concerns all the way up through Virginia as well before it finally dissipated. Some stats on this: it was the strongest hurricane to make landfall in the Florida Panhandle, had maximum sustained winds of 160 miles per hour, and it took just 3 days to go from a tropical depression to a Category 5 hurricane, and most of that was over a weekend, so it was very difficult to get out the information with a lot of people maybe away from TVs or radios. But thankfully, things are making a little bit better across the area now, starting to get some improvement anyway. All right.